Hello everyone, welcome back to another mock video. This is a microscale ATTE from Star Wars. There's going to be a build tutorial at the end of the video, so stick around for that. This first part will just be showing it off to you, explaining a bit the techniques and stuff like that. So first thing is that almost every connection in this is illegal. There's a few that are regular, but techniques, but you can already see that that's an illegal technique. Two right there, another right there, another right there. That's one, and two more at the back there, and then there's a whole bunch in the inside. But yeah, not too much to show you. You do have to kind of adjust some stuff to get some of the angles right, and because it's definitely not meant for playing with or whatever. It's definitely for just maybe for a larger diorama or just for display if you like it enough. But let's get into the build tutorial. Alright, so you're going to want to start with two of these. Basically a 2x3 plate with some clip pieces, and then an illegal technique, which is connecting these 1x1 clip pieces to each other by the little things that stick out. You can probably tell how to do it just by this, and add two little studs or just 1x1s to the ends. You want to do that twice. The colors don't really matter at all for this, just make sure you have the gray bottom part, but otherwise do whatever you want for the clips and studs. So we can put those aside, and next we can 6 of these legs. There's a clip at the top, light gray, dark gray, robot arm, Tenic wheel thing. I'm sure you can know what that is. Pull one out really quick and you can see that there. And I meant 4 of these. You only have to build 4 of these, not 6, because we'll get and put those aside, and then we'll get into this little build, which is a bit more complicated. It has this cell phone piece on top, these little sync things. Here, wait, hold this. There you go. So there's it's just one of those pieces. I'm sure you know what that is. And then another one of those little axle pieces, another droid arm, whatever it is. Another one that connects there, another little circle thing, then another one of those 1x1 clips. So you want that, and then you connect those at the angle there, and they stick on pretty well. So put those with the legs over here. Then we want this, which is very simple. 2x2 modified plate with the thing there at the end, tile, clip that goes that way. I'm sure you can tell what that is. Another one of those arm things, and minifigure hand in dark gray. Then we want 4 of these wing pieces. 2 of them you want to have 4 or 2 on each of the minifigure hands, and those clip on pretty easily. It might take a bit of, definitely an illegal technique, so if you don't want to break your minifigure hands, then you might want to reconsider doing this, but I don't think it puts too much stress on the pieces, and there's a pretty good result. So for those 1, 2 on 2, and 1 on 2. Put those aside. Also going to want this 2x1 modified plate, sorry, with the clip, and another one of those 1x2 modified plates with the thing that is compatible with that one, and 2 of those things which go on each side. Finally, we have the cockpit piece. It's just one of these, I forget what they're called, but they're the modified 1x1 bricks with the studs on all sides. Translucent 1x1 tile, translucent 1x1 cheese wedge, and dark red 2x1 tile on top. Then we want this, which is minifigure bracket thing, neck bracket, one of these newer studs with that, and any kind of tile piece, 1x1 tile piece on top. And that is going to connect into there like that. And you're also going to want this and this. It doesn't have to be this, as long as it's just some form of 1x2 dark red tile. I kind of was running out of parts at this point, dark red parts, so I'm going to put one on that side and one on that side. No, wait, it's like this, sorry. Like that, so it's in the center there. And then, alright, I guess we'll start with this. Take this piece, which I showed in the beginning. You take your, oh, one more thing. Take this, and you attach another one of these clip pieces to the front there, like that, to get that little thing. And that goes on here, like that. And that's attached to the base plate now, damn it. Alright, then you're going to want to grab one of these and another one of these, which I showed you before. You're going to want to attach them to those studs there. You might have to take this off to put them on, but so it's like that. And then you can see there's the feet in the cockpit and that, which is where you should be. Next, you can take the wing with the 2x2, with the 2 minifigure hands in front, attach it upside down to there on the back stud. Then you can kind of wiggle it in by manipulating the little clip pieces there so you can get a better angle. But I'm not going to do that on camera or in this video, so I'll do it at the end when I say goodbye. But yeah, so like that, kind of. You can see the front part is pretty much done. Now I guess we'll move on to the middle part here. Start with this piece and attach this to here, like so. Then we grab this complicated piece, which connects to this there, like so. And this whole thing will lay it upside down or whatever. I'm just doing that. And this little minifigure bracket here you can attach to the front, like that. And see, that sits on that there, and then that forms the middle legs. And then we can take this thing, which I don't know if I showed you. Any 1x1 brick will work, and then just put any kind of stud on top. That goes on this assembly here, like that. And we can put that here on that, like that, like that there. And then we can take these final 2 legs and attach them the same way we did to the other side, just by taking this thing and attaching it to there. And then finally you just take this thing and attach it to the back here the same way we did in the front with the back stud there. Let's see if I can do this with one hand on camera. There's that, and that just goes like that. And you definitely will have to mess around with the legs a lot to get them in the right position. Like I said before, you probably shouldn't be messing around with this too much. Definitely goes for accuracy over durability and playability. I don't know why you'd want to play with something this small anyway, but that's really it for this video. If you do have any troubles with this, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to help you out. And there's a mini ATTE. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.